Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I know you're probably going to see me in this little tube dress, but I am recording like 3 videos today. This is the second one, just so you guys know, but it feels so good to be back recording and filming. I missed it so much when I was there. I tried to vlog, but yeah. So today we have a Boxycharm video. I will be showing you guys what I got. There is one item that is floating around in my purse somewhere, and I'm too lazy to go and grab it. So I'll let you guys know what it is when it comes to it. But I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up as well, and also be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. That way you guys are part of this family. I would love to have you guys. It would mean so much to me, so be sure to do that. And let's jump into this video. So if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a $21 monthly subscription. You get 5 full-size items, or sometimes like 4 full-size items and then 1 travel size. It just depends on what you get, but it is for $21 a month. You get beauty items, you get makeup, you get beauty, that's the same thing. You get makeup, skincare, hair care, sometimes makeup brushes. Like I've seen people get like tools for their fingernails. I'm not really into fingernail polish. I just wear black and that's it. Cat is being a little shit and he keeps messing with the other cat. So jumping onto this, when you open it up, you get this little card right here. It seems to change month to month depending on what it is, but it shows everything that you got here. And I do have a little 2 at the very bottom of my corner, but this month's theme is Caribbean Queen, which I think is perfect for June. But so starting off with this palette that I got pulled out. This is the Alamar Reina del Caribe palette. It says this palette features 8 highly opaque shades reminiscent of the beauty and culture of Cuba. Dive into the pigments and pearls found in the intense metallics or ground your look with the warm richness of creamy mattes. For a more intense application, refer to the shades that feature shade names that feature a water droplet that can be used with a wet brush, or the sun symbol that can be applied for application with a dry brush. So that's cool. So this one retails for $28. This one is Kathleen's fave. No idea who that is. Never. But that's someone's fave. This is what the palette looks like. Not very keen on the color yellow, but when I saw this palette, I was not really blown away by it. I did dip my fingers into it a little bit when I first got it, because I did get it when I was on my the week before my wedding. But this is what it looks like up close. You get a very beautiful kind of like pinky shade, then you get a nice little, I don't know what kind of shade that is, bronzy colored. Then you get a nice, very deep, beautiful blue. Then you get like a turquoise, and then you get like a nice, beautiful kind of burnt orange or red. I'm not sure. But then you get this like really weird orangey kind of color, and then you get a maroon, and then a really deep brown. I don't know, this palette is just weird, but I'm gonna have to go and play with it a little bit. And you know, I can see myself using like this color, like these 2 colors, and maybe some of these, maybe a little bit of this color, but it's gonna have some getting used to. But I'm really excited to try this, and I heard that this recently came out, so congratulations on making this palette, whoever did, because I heard that this isn't released yet, or some YouTuber's sister made it. I'm not sure, but it's really cool. I just realized the Kathleen that they're talking about is Kathleen Light, so she just looks right there. She looks so beautiful. They all look beautiful, but they all look like models, and here I am just looking like a schlub. Oh well. So the next thing that we have, I'm going to pull out, is the Sol Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. It's like Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Alright. You only get a little itty bitty size, unfortunately. I was hoping for like the big size. But it smells, I guess my nose. It smells so good. I was not expecting it to smell as good as it did. Like I really, really wasn't. So this one, I'm going to show you guys. Okay, this one is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. This retails for $10, and it's only, how many ounces is this? I don't think it says really. Okay, so this This little travel size is 0.84 fluid ounces, or if you're somewhere else, it's 25 ml. So it says the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream is inspired by the Brazilians' favorite feature, the bud. It's creamy, rich. It's creamy and rich. It's creamy and rich in guarana, a native Amazonian plant whose fruit contains one of the most potent forms of caffeine. The fast-absorbing texture contains just enough mica to add the perfect Brazilian glow. This formula helps your body look and feel like feel its most smoothest and most tight. Which I don't know if that's true, but it smells like pistachio caramel, leaves the skin delicately fragranced. And I didn't think I would actually like this one because when I was smelling, like, I'm not into sweet smells, and this is a very sweet smell. And I'll just have to admit, I was not looking forward to this because I'm like, oh great, you know, Brazilian, you know, pistachio, whatever. Wasn't looking forward to it, but I'm pleasantly surprised. Just wish they give us a bigger container because I know as soon as I run out of this, like, that's the end of it. I'm not buying it again, so that sucks. The next thing we have are these beautiful lashes. They're the Baddington lashes. Okay, it says Baddington Monroe Silk Lashes, and it comes in a box like this, and you open it up, and that's what they look like. I don't wear lashes too much. I didn't even wear them on my wedding day. You know, sometimes I'm into it, sometimes I'm not, but it's the 3D multi-layered Baddington Monroe Silk Lashes. It enhances your eyes with a moderate length, adding volume and length to your lashes. They're handmade with 100% silk and impressive durability, allowing up to 25 applications with proper care, and these retails for $28. That's really expensive for a pair of lashes. Now for me, I'll get a lot more uses than what the normal person will be because I do cut my lashes. I have never noticed, I cut them like right here. So I'd be able to make 3. So that's pretty darn good. But I love the little packaging for it. It's super, super cute, and it looks very, very expensive. Just like looking at it, I mean it is, but it looks very, very expensive in general. What we have is these 3-piece Luxie brush set right here. And it says these Luxie 3-piece flawless complexion. That's what they are, they're for your face. Persistent foundation face brush 660 with less bristle density. This brush is perfect for applying powder or liquid foundations to create a soft, diffused makeup look. I don't really use foundation, obviously. No, I don't use foundation. My channel is foundationless, so, except for my old videos, those are, you know, whatever. But I don't use foundation. I could use it to help blend out concealer, so that's always something I can use it for. If I don't feel like using a sponge. Then you have the tapered highlighting brush, but this is 522. This fluffy tapered brush allows you to have a seamlessly apply your favorite powder highlighter to the high points of your face, or set your under eye makeup, which that is a good thing too. And then the Duo Fiber Powder Brush 516. Use this ultra soft Duo Fiber brush to apply a cream or powder makeup for a softer, flawless finish. And it says these are handcrafted brushes with high quality soft synthetic bristles using hypoallergenic, vegan, and cruelty-free materials, and these retail for $42. That is very expensive. Very expensive for like these brushes. So I'm gonna go ahead and open these up for you guys. Ugh, they stink. I'll tell you that much. Like they're, ugh. Like as soon as you open the package, you can smell they stink. Yuck. Okay, so this one's kind of messed up, but this one is the 516 brush, and then this one is the 660 brush, which I hope you guys can see that. And this one is the 522 brush. So That's what they look like. This one's a little messed up. And this one would be used for duo fiber powder. So, yeah, I'll have to go and try and reshape it, but that's okay. So, I always like getting brushes in my Boxycharm. Sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. Just depends on what exactly, you know, they're for. If they're eyeshadow brushes, you better believe I'm gonna be using them for like months, just to really test them out. Next we have the Jante Blue Waterproof Eyeliner Pencil. It says the 100% vegan waterproof eyeliner pencil glides on smooth for an elevated eye look. Use along the upper lash line or waterline. And it says this retails for $5, and this is Joelle's fave. I, thank God, got the color charcoal, which obviously is not a black, but it's like a slate. Obviously, like it's a very soft kind of color. Very happy about that. They were having brown, and I was like, if I got brown, I'd have to give it to my mom because I don't wear brown eyeliner ever. Like if I ever got a brown one, it's pretty much in the trash or not in the trash, but it would be pretty much given away, give it to my mom, or it's very hard in my opinion if I were to give this to in a giveaway because it's not sealed. It's literally it just came like this. So something like that I would definitely not give away just because it would open, or you know, I don't want any iffy things happening to it. So something like that, if it's not already sealed, I would not put it in a giveaway. So the next thing that I have that is in my purse somewhere is the Galactic Lip Paint. It says apply this richly pigmented lip paint to your lips. Within 1 minute it will dry down to a beautiful matte color that will be noticeably dramatic without dryness or flaking. And this retails for $23. And I remember that I did have that shade Blossom. It's a very beautiful pinky kind of color. It's so stunning, so flattering on if you're my type of skin tone. Very, very beautiful. I do have to say, whenever I accidentally overline my lips, you can see where I did because it's not as pigmented there. That was the only drawback I did not like about this lip company or their line of lipsticks. But that is it with the Boxycharm video. I hope you guys do enjoy this, and please be sure to check out my other videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.